It's running. You just talked over her.
What do you see out there? Rain? Outside? Daddy went outside? Did you see that lightning?